Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AgriQuiz. Today I am going to discuss 20 important questions on grape. Uh, in a previous video, I started subtropical crop, that is citrus, then grape is the second one. Let's start. Question number 1. Cardinal grape is a cross between options are Vinifera into Labrusca and Turkey into Ribler, then Anabisai and Thompson Seedless, then Paulet and Himrod. Here the right answer is Turkey and Ribler. Actually, Cardiac grape is a California originated grape variety in 1934. You have to also remember where the variety was originated and in which year. In California in 1939. Then question number 2. Concurrent Isabella and Roger variety are grape belongs to species. Here the options are Vitis vinifera, Vitis labrusca, and Macadamia rotundifolia, and none of the above. Here the right answer is the varieties are right answer is option A, Vitis vinifera. Sorry, and these options are not Vitis vinifera, and that is Vitis labrusca. Then question number 3. Hen and chicken is a disorder observed in options are mango, option B grape, option C avocado, option D lychee. Here the right answer is in grape. Hen and chicken disorder is due to the deficiency of boron. I will show you the photo, and then you can recognize how it will look like this disorder. And the name indicate hen and chicken disorder. You can see here, and one grapefruit is bigger in size, then another one is smaller in size. That's why in cluster you can see one is bigger and another one is small. That's why the name was given by hen and chicken disorder. This disorder is due to the deficiency of boron. Then question number 4. Among the following pair of grape variety, which are relatively salt resistant? Here the options are option A, Alam with beauty seedless, Paulet with Khalili, option C, Anabi Isai with Bangalore blue, and option D, none of the above. Here the right answer is option A, Alam with beauty seedless. These two variety resistant to salt. Then question number 5. Anabi Isai, a seeded grape cultivar, was selected in 1930 from the collection of this is the scientist, that is Nawab Bakir Ali Khan, and who was associated with its selection. There are two scientists, that is one is Nawab Ali Khan, then and another one, and these are 4 options. We have to choose one. Then options are, that is, I think these are by mistakenly obtained. Then RH Pillai, then SH Arve, then Nawab Bakr Khan, then none of the above. Here the right answer is no. Here the right answer is option A, that is SH RS Pillai. SH RH Pillai. Option A is right. Then question number 6. Annabi-e-Shahi is the most popular grape variety of these. Then options are Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Here the right answer is in Andhra Pradesh. Annabi-e-Shahi variety is mostly popular. Then question number 7. Digrasset grape rootstock is tolerant to. Here the options are salt, option B nematode, option C pure disease, option D Phylogera. Here the right answer is option D Phylogera. Sometimes there is a question asked many times. Phylogera is a you have to choose, that is, it may be nematode or insect or disease. The right answer is Phylogera is a insect. Then question number 8. Dormex and hydrogen cyanide is used for. Here the options are grape bud break, then citrus bud break and apple bud break. None of the above. Here the right answer is option A, grape bud break. To break the dormancy of bud, generally use Dormex or hydrogen cyanide. Then question number 9. Drought resistant rootstock is. Here the options are Duckbridge and 1613, then Salt Creek with Duckbridge, then ST George with Salt Creek, then all of the above. Here the right answer is option C, ST George with Salt Creek. Then question number 10. Early ripening commercial grape variety is. Here the options are option A, Pure of Cascada, Bharat Ali, Portlet and Beauty Seedless. Here the right answer is option A. Actually, this Pure of Cassava is a white variety of grape. It is created in 1904 by Hungarian Adolf Stark. You have to remember the scientist name, Hungarian Adolf Stark, in 1904. Then question number 11. Early ripening grape variety suited for early ripening, this something wrong. Early ripening of grape suitable in North India. Here the options are Gulabi, option B Portlet, option C Bokri, and option D Anabi Shahi. Here the right answer is Pollet. This variety is most popular in North India. Then question number 12. Embryo rescue technique can be used for production of. Here the options are seedless apple, option B seedless grape, both A and B, option D none of the above. Here the right answer is option B seedless grape. Then question number 13. Flower thinning in grape is done by. Here the generally which growth regulator you use in grape for thinning purpose. Here the options are ethylene, option B NaA, option C GA3, and all of the above. Here the right answer is GA3, but in maximum fruit crop we generally use NaA as a thinning agent, like in guava, in apple we generally use NaA. Then question number 14. Genus to which grape belongs to. Options are option A Carica, option B Punica, option C Vitis, option D none of the above. Here the right answer, and very simple one, that is Vitis. Then question number 15. Kinfin system of training in grape was developed by Mr. William in. The options are option A Rome, option B India, option C New York, option D France. Here the right answer is New York, USA. Generally there are many type of training system followed in grape, that is Bauer system or Kinfin system, then head system and overhead training system. But most successful training system is, that is Bauer system, and cheap training system is, that is head system. You have to remember this question, asked many times in JRF or SRF. Then question number 16. Methyl anthranilate is related to. Here the options are muscat flavor in grape, foxiness in grape. Options are both A and B, then none of the above. Here the right answer is option C, both A and B, that is methyl anthranilate both indicate that muscat flavor and foxiness in grape. Then question number 17. Most popularly grown grape variety in Maharashtra. Here the options are Thompson seedless, option B Anabi Shahi, then option C Perlet, then option D Chema Sahibi. Here the right answer is option A Thompson seedless. As I told before, that Anabi Shahi is suitable in most popularly in Andhra Pradesh, and Perlet is more suitable in North India, and Thompson seedless most popularly in Maharashtra. You have to remember these three variety which is more popular from which place. Then question number 18. Pollen of reflex stamen cultivar of grape fail to germinate because they lack of rain, option B cutin, option C filament, then option D lack of germ pore. And this one by mistakenly I wrote it. Then here the right answer is option B cutin. Generally cutin present over the pollen to protect it from environmental condition. If it lack, then it can't be germinate because of some environmental condition like high temperature. Then question number 19. Seedlessness in grape is controlled by, here the options are recessive polygenic, cytoplasmic gene, option C dominant gene, option D oligogene. Here the right answer is option A recessive polygenic. Then last question, that is question number 20. Calyptra stage is related to, the options are mango, is option B grape, option C banana, and option D apple. Here the right answer is option B, that is grape. Actually how it is look, I will show you in this picture. Then actually calyptra is a cape-like structure which cover, that is stamen, that is petal and sepal. After it is the cape-like structure, that is calyptra, then it will look like this. That is, you can see here in this picture, that is anther, stigma, style, ovary, filament. Here you simply remember the calyptra is a cape-like structure which cover over corolla and calyx. Here the question are finished. If my videos are helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.